All right, it is a good morning, and I'm taking a break from trading live because I was just getting too hyper focused on the 5 second chart and taking way too many trades, putting too much pressure on myself. So I've gone back to paper trading. I'm basically on a trading break, but whenever I'm kind of bored or I want to practice or something like that, I will take a paper trade. This is the first paper trade I took. Actually, I took one last night. I got stopped out for break even. So this was the trade I was in yesterday. The paper trade I was in the Discord. I shared it afterwards because look, it barely didn't hit my take profit, and then it stopped me out for break even. But let's talk about what I was doing today. So we had news at 8:30. It went all the way down here. It cleared up all of this sell side, and I was on a 15-minute chart, and I was expecting this buy side to be taken since all of this sell side was cleared up and there was no kind of continuation. It wicked all the way back up in here, and I was looking for this fair value gap as an inversion fair value gap to the buy side, especially once we were seeing bullish order flow, like when this fair value gap held bullish and we started going up here. I was definitely confident that we were going to see this buy side, but my trade was practicing the low hanging fruit, so I was taking profit right here at this buy side. And I was on a 1 minute chart. So once this 15-minute inversion fair value gap held, so we had this sell side taken on a 1 minute chart, and then this became an order block. So I was using this for my entry. I looked at this order block, but I was too late. So then I took this propulsion candle, and as you can see, my entry is right at the propulsion candle. I entered on a limit order, and my sell is a limit right above this high. So for the time being, I'm not going to be trading live. Since I did blow 2 of my 4 funded accounts, and the other 2 are very close to the drawdown limit, and I kind of want to keep them because then I have free data for pretty much forever, and I just want to be practicing on paper trading. So I connect to Apex, and then I disconnect, so then the data loads, and then I connect to paper trading, and I can just take paper trades. This account I've been using for ages, and it's in profit, but like it doesn't really matter. I've just been kind of messing around. It's for practice purposes, and we did have this ultimate target over here above the buy side. That being said, I'm thinking about live streaming. Let me know if you guys would be interested in watching some live streams with me sharing this analysis before the fact instead of doing recaps afterwards. I feel like there could be value in that. But other than that, I'm just going to keep posting videos whenever something interesting happens, whether that's a paper trade or a live trade. I will be coming back to live trading at some point, but for now, I'm taking a step back because I need to work on my discipline, stop being really impatient, and kind of just let the setups come to me. And I had the best 3 weeks of trading after my 2-month break in December and January. And it really helped me with my patience because December and January I didn't take any trades, and I was just watching the market do its thing, and it showed me kind of how often setups happen and when the really obvious setups are. So that helped me with my mindset, and I would like to get back to the mental state that I was in at that time because blowing this many funded accounts is not a good sign. I think I'm forcing it, and there's really no reason to do that because I do know what I'm doing when I focus and when I'm calm, patient, and I know what I'm looking for. So that being said, see you guys soon.